Now, on our 9th series of Tagalog-Filipino vocabulary, here's the sentence. Hilong-hilos ako sa tila walang katapusan na pagbibiyahe. I feel so very dizzy for the endless travel or trip. Or it could be, the endless trip makes me so dizzy. It's because no stopover, no rest at all. So we have here hilong-hilo. When you double the letter, it could be very. So when you say hilo, dizzy, hilo, dizzy. Hilong-hilo si Len sa biyahe. Len is so dizzy or feel dizzy due to a trip or travel. Hilong-hilo ako kasi mahaba ang biyahe. I am so dizzy, I feel so dizzy because of the long trip. Hilong-hilo ang mga bisita sa biyahe kasi maliit ang bangka. So the trip makes the visitors dizzy because of the small boat, or it could be the small boat, or because of the small boat, okay, the visitors feel so dizzy. Tila, if you're not sure, okay, you can use the word tila, but tila is an Tagalog word that you can seldom hear from the conversational, but you can hear this or read this in the news or magazines or Tagalog books. So, tila uulan yata mamaya. So, seems like it will rain later. So, yata, if you're not sure, you can also use this, and both can be used correctly in the sentence. It could be, that's correct, that's fine. Tila, galit ka. Since you're angry, or you say that in English, it seems that you are angry. So in Filipino, we say, tila, galit ka. Tila si Jim ata yon. Seems like that is Jim over there. So tila here, okay, is placed in between or at the first part of the sentence. Next, we have this phrase, walang katapusan. It means endless, no end. Walang katapusan ang traffic talaga sa Manila. The traffic is really endless in Manila. So, first part of the sentence. Walang katapusan ang reklamo niya. Niya, his or her complaint is endless. So, it could be that she's complaining all the time. Anytime she has this complaint. So, walang katapusan ang hirap niya. His or her sacrifice is endless. Walang katapusan. Pagbibiyahe could be traveling, sailing, or trip. Mahirap ang pagbibiyahe kapag umuulan. So, traveling is difficult if it is raining. Kapag ang pagbibiyahe sa isla ay masaya kapag tag-init. So, traveling to the island or sailing to the island is happy. That's a literal word for the word masaya. Is good or nice when it is summer. Nakakapagod ang pagbibiyahe ng matagal. Traveling so long is exhausting, or you say long travel is exhausting. So, nakakapagod or pagbibiyahe could mean traveling, trip, or sailing. Check out our blog, okay, for more learning resources. Cebuanan Visayan learning materials are also available in various formats for all levels.